What's up, guys? Don's Appliances. We're all about pizzas. We're all about your outdoor cooking today. We're on the Alfa pizza oven, wood fired. We have the 2-inch fire brick. We have the wood raging. This guy's over 1,000 degrees. We're gonna make a pizza pie like nobody's business, all right? Jump right in here. We're gonna grab some fresh sauce, all right? We got it sitting on our Alfa pizza peel already. Just gonna move this sauce around. Nice and light, gang. Nice and light. Just like that. Push the sauce to the edges. You don't want too much crust. All right. Nice, nice. One more scoop of this sauce. It's the key. We're going to throw some cheese down on this guy. Nice. Just like that. We're going to put Emily's Secret hot peppers on here. All right. It's a family tradition here. Put a couple of those on. We're gonna throw a couple slices of pepperoni and we're gonna get ready to put this guy in the oven and make some magic, all right? Boom, boom, nice and thick. Put a little cheese on top. All right, this is ready. Got the Alfa pizza. Fire it right on there, gang. Like I said, we wanna wait about a minute or two just so it crusts up on the sides. See from the left and right the dough puffing. That means we're at the right temperature and consistency, right? We'll look at that. Now we switched up our pizza peel to our turner. It's another Alfa accessory that we carry. Check that out. We just want to make sure we're getting a good solid heat right there. All right, guys, here's our finished pizza on the Alfa pizza oven. As you can check these pizza ovens out at all of our locations. We have a few to choose from in wood-fired and gas-fired. Guys, enjoy this. Change your outdoor cooking.